Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of to-dos, deadlines, and endless email chains? Like your team's communication is less a synchronized symphony and more a kazoo orchestra playing a death metal cover of Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star? Yeah, me too. We've all been there. And in that moment of glorious chaos, you might have heard someone whisper a name, a beacon of hope in the project management wilderness. Asana. But what is Asana? And, more importantly, what does that name actually stand for? Let's be honest, in the tech world, names can be abstract. You've got your Googles, your Apples, you get the point. Some are straightforward, some are metaphorical, and some seem to be plucked straight from a random word generator. So, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Asana's features and how it can save your sanity, let's address the elephant in the room, the name itself. What does Asana stand for? The answer, surprisingly, is nothing. At least not in the acronym sense. It's not some elaborate backronym designed to impress investors. Instead, the name Asana comes from the Sanskrit word asana, which translates to seat or posture. Specifically, it refers to the yoga postures or poses. Now, you might be thinking, yoga? What does yoga have to do with project management? And that's a perfectly valid question. But think about it for a second. Yoga, at its core, is about balance, focus, and mindful movement. It's about creating a stable foundation from which you can achieve your goals. And that's precisely what Asana aims to do for teams and projects. It's about providing a stable platform, a seat, if you will, where teams can organize their work, collaborate effectively, and achieve their objectives with clarity and focus. It's about bringing a sense of calm and order to the often chaotic world of project management. But it's not just the name that reflects this philosophy. Asana's design and functionality are also deeply rooted in the principles of clarity and organization. It's about creating a space where teams can visualize their work, break down complex projects into manageable tasks, and track their progress in real time. Think of it like this: your projects are the complex yoga poses, the challenging sequences that require focus and coordination. Asana is the mat, the stable surface that allows you to execute those poses with precision and grace. It provides the structure and support you need to maintain balance, even when things get hectic. It's about moving away from the scattered emails and endless meetings and towards a centralized platform where everyone can see the big picture. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, track progress, and communicate seamlessly, all in one place. But Asana isn't just a glorified to-do list. It's a powerful tool that can help you streamline your workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and gain valuable insights into your team's performance. You can create custom workflows to automate your processes, generate detailed reports to track your progress, and integrate Asana with your favorite apps to streamline your entire workflow. It's built to scale with your team, from small startups to large enterprises. It's about creating a space where everyone is on the same page, where communication is clear and concise, and where progress is visible and measurable. This level of transparency fosters accountability and empowers teams to work more efficiently and effectively. And the best part? Asana is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. You don't need to be a project management guru to get started. Its clean interface and powerful features make it easy for anyone to jump in and start collaborating. But let's get back to the name for a moment. The connection to yoga isn't just a cute backstory. It's a reflection of the company's commitment to creating a product that promotes balance, focus, and mindful collaboration. It's about creating a space where teams can work together harmoniously, like a well-choreographed yoga flow. It's about finding that sweet spot where productivity meets peace of mind. So, the next time you hear someone mention Asana, remember that it's more than just a project management tool. It's a platform designed to help you find your seat, your stable foundation, from which you can achieve your goals with clarity and focus. It's about bringing a sense of calm and order to the often chaotic world of work, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Now, we've covered the name, but there is so much more to explore. We could spend hours diving into the advanced features, the integrations, and the countless ways Asana can transform your workflow. But that's a topic for another video. We could talk about the different views like lists, boards, and timelines, and how they cater to different working styles. We could explore the powerful automation features that can save you hours of manual work. We could even delve into the various integrations that allow you to connect Asana with your favorite apps and tools. And we could discuss the impact Asana has had on teams across various industries, from marketing and design to software development and construction. The stories are endless. But for now, let's stick to the basics. Remember, Asana is your seat, your foundation, your platform for effective project management. It's about bringing clarity, focus, and balance to your workflow, allowing you to achieve your goals with ease. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.